Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to find your Afterpay card number in 2025 using the digital wallet method. Now if you're wondering how to do this all this time, well, this video is for you. The first step you need to take is to launch your digital wallet app. It could be App Wallet, Google Wallet, or whichever digital wallet app you prefer. Next, you have to locate your Afterpay card in your digital wallet, and then tap on your Afterpay card to view the card details, including the card number. That is it. It's as simple as that. Now it is important to note that you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the digital wallet app. Next, you must be logged into your Afterpay account to access your card details. And your Afterpay number might be displayed in a max format for security purposes. So that is it. That is how to find your Afterpay card number using the digital wallet method. See you in the next video. Bye for now.